Hello everyone, welcome back to Talon Tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at how to use LucidChart. And so yeah, if you want to access or make a copy of this document, it's going to be in our Talon wiki. So go check that out, link in the description. So yeah, let's begin. Number one, we have movement. And so basics of movement in LucidChart is you use your right mouse button to click and drag yourself to pan across the canvas. And then you can use your middle mouse button or your scroll wheel, click on that. Then you can point in the direction you want to go to and it'll take you there. And then you use your scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Number two, we have parts. And so technically they're called shapes in LucidChart, but we'll call them parts since these will be the electronic components that we'll be using, like a PDH or VRM. And so this is an example of a part library, and we can drag it out and it'll create a 2-scale part, a copy of a 2-scale part. Move it around with left mouse button. And a quick tip is that you can use Control F to quickly find the part that you might be looking for. And so that's really helpful as you're starting to create your wiring diagrams. Number three, we have wires. We're going to be using wires the most obviously since we're creating an electrical diagram. And so you'll probably want to get good at making Bezier curves. This is something you'll want to practice. If you've used Adobe Illustrator before, you might have some experience with this, but yeah. And so I'm going to drag out this wire right here from the library and set it down right here. And so basically what you're going to want to do is drag this anchor to the cat and then this anchor to the fish. And so you're going to drag the two ends of the wire to what you want to connect. And then you can start adding new anchors, which will be these blue squares that you can drag out to create new anchors. And so we'll create that, and then we'll add 2 more anchors here to match the corners. And then you can use the handles of your Bezier curve to adjust the curve. And so by doing that, we've created a path for the cat to eat the fish, and now the cat is happy. So you probably want to get good practice with this in order to make your wiring diagrams that much better. And then the last quick tip in LucidChart is part layering. So imagine you have 2 parts and you want one of your parts to be in front. Then you can select that part and right click, arrange, and then click on bring to front. But I highly recommend that you memorize and learn the keyboard shortcuts since that'll make your workflow much faster. And so that'll be, you select Mr. Fresh Chair, hit Control Alt right bracket, and that'll bring it to the front. So yeah, that's it for the tutorial. This is just a very basic and quick overview on how to use LucidChart. Thank you for watching.